It's ladybug.
Nice. Kana ba? Namupo na siyang tanom.
I planted this 2009.
Ano? Usa na kakuan, bucket.
This one too?
Kanang ubos?
Kali ka di na ni maabot nila.
Yun na maabot na.
Can't reach this anymore. Sunod na po ni Paon na to.
Okay. Kana kakuan na.
Pretty much it.
Okay.
So you want it fresh the next time?
That one right there is too small, but that was already ripe, I think so.
The ladybugs are hiding. We're gonna take the ladybug off later. Okay.
This is our apple right here. Oh, see?
Okay.
Apple.
Okay, that's it for now.
Anong tungod nimo? Ano nga puwa na? Dili na. Oh, kita kana na. Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna give them anyways.
Yeah.
Naman yung ma-reach nila.
Let's go.
That them to them.
Yeah, give it to them right there.
Okay, you have to stop it now. Stop it now.